Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 12 of chapter 6. Chapter name is Decimal of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos, and please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. Today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 12 of exercise 6b of chapter 6, and chapter name is decimals, and topics are changing decimal numeral to a common fraction and comparing decimal numbers. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1 is write as fractions. First bit is 0.23. 0.23. Here we can write after decimal place there are two digits, 2 and 3. So we have to divide 23 with 100 because 100 has two zeros. So we have to place two digits after decimal place. Here there are two digits after decimal place, so we have to divide 23 with 100 because 100 has two zeros. Now second bit 0.071. Here after decimal place there are three digits, so we have to divide 71 with 1000 because 1000 has three zeros. So 0.071 is equal to 71. 71 is in the denominator and 71 divided by 1000 because 1000 has three zeros. Here after decimal place there are three digits, so we have to divide 71 with 1000. So 0.071 is 71 divided by 1000. 1000 has three zeros, and after decimal place here there are three digits, so we have to divide 71 with three zeros, that is 1000. And 0.23, here there are two digits after decimal place, so we have to divide 23 with 100. 100 has two zeros. Now question number third bit 0.309. Here after decimal place there are three digits, so we have to divide 309 with 1000 because 1000 has three zeros. So 0.309 will be 309 divided by 1000. Fourth bit 0.0037. Here after decimal point there are four digits, 0037, four digits, so we have to divide 37 with 10,000 because 10,000 has four zeros. 37, so 0.0037 will be 37 divided by 10,000 because 10,000 has four zeros. And here after decimal place 0.309, three digits, so we have to divide with 1000. 1000 has three zeros. So 0.309 is 309 divided by 1000, and 0.0037 is 37 divided by 10,000. Now question number 5th bit 0.00059. Here after decimal point there are five digits, so we have to divide 59 with 1 with five zeros. So it will be 100,000. So 59 divided by 5 zeros. 1 with 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5. So it is 100,000. So 59 divided by 100,000. 100,000. Here there are 5 zeros. Because after decimal point here there are five digits. So we have to divide 59 with 100,000. That is 100,000 has 5 zeros. So 0.00059 is 59 divided by 100,000. Now sixth bit 0.5001. After decimal point there are four digits. So we have to divide 5001 with 10,000 because 10,000 has 4 zeros. So 0.5001 is 5,001 divided by 10,000. 10,000 has 4 zeros. So 0.5001 is 5,001 divided by 10,000 because 0.5001 has 4 digits, so we have to divide 5,001 with 10,000. 10,000 has 4 zeros. Now question number 2. Write as fractions in their lowest terms. First bit 0.2. We can write 0.2 as after decimal point there is only one digit 2. So we have to divide 2 with 10. 2 divided by 10. And we have to find its lowest term. So first find out the highest common factor between the numerator 2 and the denominator 10. Here highest common factor between 2 and 10 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is, so we have to divide highest common factor 2 with the numerator and denominator 2 and 10. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now the fraction is 1 divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5 is in the lowest term of the decimal 0.2. It is 1 divided by 5. Now second bit 0.04. Here after decimal point there is 2 digits. So we have to divide 4 with 100. 100 has 2 zeros. And now find out the highest common factor between the numerator 4 and the denominator 100. 4 and 100, the highest common factor is 4. So we have to divide numerator 4 and the denominator 100 with 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 100 divided by 4 is 25. Now it is 1 divided by 25. 1 divided by 25 is in the simplest form. It is in the lowest term. So 1 divided by 25 is the lowest term of the decimal 0.04. So 0.2 is 2 divided by 10, that is 1 divided by 5, and 0.04 is 4 divided by 100, that is 1 divided by 25. This is in the lowest term or simplest term. Now question number third bit 0.008. We have to write this decimal 0.008 in the lowest term, in the fractional form or the lowest term. So 0.008, here after decimal point there is 3 digits, so we have to divide 8 with 1000 because 1000 has 3 zeros. So 8 divided by 1000. Now find out the highest common factor between 8 and 1000. Between 8 and 1000, 8 is the highest common factor. So divide numerator 8 and denominator 1000 with 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1 and 1000 divided by 8 is 125. So 101 divided by 125 is the lowest term or the simplest form of the decimal 0.008. Now fourth bit 0.075. Here after decimal point there are 3 digits, so we have to divide 75 with 1000. Now 75 divided by 1000, here we have to find out the highest common factor between 75 and 1000. And between 75 and 1000, 25 is the highest common factor. So divide the numerator 75 and the denominator 1000 with 25. 75 divided by 25 is 3 and 1000 divided by 25 is 40. Now 3 divided by 40 is the lowest term or the simplest form of the fractions, and 75 divided by 1000 or the decimal 0.075. So 0.008 is 1 divided by 125 and 0.075 is 3 divided by 40. Now question number 5, 0.0305. We have to find the lowest term of the fraction of the decimal 0.0305. Here after decimal point there are 4 digits, so we have to divide and the numerator 305 with the with 10,000. So 305 divided by 10,000, and between 305 and 10,000, 5, between 305 and 10,000, 5 is the common factor. So divide with numerator 305 and denominator 10,000 with 5. 305 divided with 5 is 61, and 10,000 divided by 5 is 2,000. Now 61 divided by 2,000 is the lowest term, or the simplest form of the fractions 305 divided by 10,000, or the decimal 0.0305. Now sixth bit 0.625. 0.625, here after decimal point there are 3 digits, so we have to divide 625 with 1000, and 1000 has 3 zeros. So divide is 625. Now find out the highest common factor between 625 and 1000. And between 625 and 1025 is the highest common factor. So 125 is the highest common factor between 625 and 1000. So divide 625 with 125 and divide the denominator 1000 with 125. Now 625 with divided by 125 is 5, and 1000 divided by 125 is 8. Now 5 divided by 8, which is in the simplest form or the lowest term. So 5 divided by 8 is the lowest term of the decimal 0.625. Now 0.0305 is 61 divided by 2000, and 0.625 is 5 divided by 8. These are the lowest term of these given decimals. Now question number 7th bit 24.075. We have to write this decimal as the fractions in their lowest terms. 24.075. We can write 24 and 24.075. That is 24 plus 0.075. Now 24 plus 0.075 is 75 divided by 1000. Because after decimal point there are 3 digits 075, so we have to divide 75 with 1000. Now between 75 and 1000 we have to find the highest common factor. So divide highest common factor is 25. So divide 75 with 25 and 1000 with 25. Now 24 plus 75 divided by 25 is 3, and 1000 divided by 25 is 40. Now 24 plus 3 divided by 40, which is equal to 24, 3, 40. Now 24, 3 divided by 40 is in the lowest term, that is in the simplest form of the decimal 24.075. Now 24.075 is 24, 3 divided by 40, which is in the lowest term of this given decimal 24.075. Now 8th bit 13.125. We have to write this decimal as the fractions in their lowest term. So 13.125 we can write 13 plus 0.125. 13 plus 0.125 we can write it 125 divided by 1000, because after decimal point there are 3 digits, so we have to divide 125 with 1000. Now 13 plus, and between 125 and 1000, 125 is the common factor, that is highest common factor, so we have to divide 125 and 1000 with 125. Now 125 divided by 125 and 1000 with 125. Now 13 plus 125 divided by 125 is 1, and 1000 divided by 125 is 8. Now 13 plus 1 divided by 8, and 13 plus 1 divided by 8 is 13 1 divided by 8, and 13 1 divided by 8 is in the lowest term, that is the simplest form of the given decimal 13.125. So 13.125 is 13 1 divided by 8, where 13 is the natural number and 1 divided by 8 is the proper fraction. So 13 1 divided by 8 is in the lowest term of the decimal 13.125. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.